calling on my phone, I told her knock it off. I don't like when I see cotton mixed with Tylenol. Antisocial, I can.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ZxRkane, aka Fallout K Man, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, man. Back with another POV. Back. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So, yeah. Back with another POV. Nighttime POV. You feel me? Nighttime. Our first official late night. Well, it's going on 9 o'clock right now. So let's say our first official nighttime POV. You feel me? What's that? Our first official. Tell me if y'all like my glasses too on the last clip. I had to take them off though. They're a little blurry. I can't really see out them bitches. Not prescription. First official POV. Right now, I'm on my way to the park real quick. It's a local park that I be going to often. It's the next day too from that video yesterday. This is the next day. Yesterday I was not able to link with bro. I wasn't able to link with him. We're gonna see if it work out today. And if it do, we got the vid for y'all. So this is another POV. Strap in, buckle your seatbelts. You feel me? Come on a ride, you feel me? Come on a ride. And let's have a good time. But I'm going to tap back in when I get to where I'm going. Do I want to get y'all? Nah, I was going to cut up for y'all, but he getting out my way anyway. So, yeah, I'm going to tap back in when I get to where I'm going. We out. Yo, bro, I feel like I just flew. Back in the days, so he said, damn. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's the same video, but this next day. Just gonna tap in, finish the POV for y'all, answer this question for y'all. Yes, I did go to the park. No, I did not link up with Big 3 times. So, yeah, we're gonna just finish up the vlog right here, right now. Get y'all some POV footage real quick. This nigga squeeze through here. Let's see if I can get through here. But yeah, like I said, I ain't link up with Big 3 times. He got something going on. So if you rock with me, go send love to him. Tell him Saucy family here for him. Saucy family sent you. Here. And I know y'all can see that I need some gas. That's what I'm on my way to right now. I gotta go get some gas. After yesterday, I'm like, alright, I'm gonna just go home. No, I gotta wake up in the AM. Didn't get no type of gas. Up to the gas station right now. My back freaking window so dirty I can't even see out of it. That's the next step. I need a freaking car wash. No, we're gonna do 40 plus. 40 plus, yeah. Hold on.
You wanna give me a car?
I gotta get it out of here. Chill. Chill.
What's zip code?
Bro trying to talk crazy. I want to smack him in the back of his head.
No, it's not going good.
So we finna get some gas right quick. I don't know what I'm finna do after this. I'm just trying to finish the POV for y'all. Like I said, I'm going all in POV. So we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. Bro, tripping. He added an extra $1,000 to my shit. Gonna start laughing. That's my guy, but nigga better not do that shit again or it's up for him. It's inflation right now. Niggas don't got even an extra cent. Make a nigga mad. Extra cent to get your head knocked off. Yeah. Hey, yo. I seen he try to go crazy for the car. I'm like, Earl, I gotta get it from the back. Chill out. Chill out. I know where I'm finna go. I'm finna go to my sister's house. Let me see. If she answered her telephone. Hold on, I'm gonna tap back in like a couple seconds. Right back. Alright, y'all, we back. So I called my sister. She talking about my niece wants something to drink, so that's what we about to go do real quick in the POV. Then we out. We going to the crib. We going to the crib. Part of the video. Show them your drink. Great drink. It's good.
Yeah.
Alright, we out. Say peace.
Peace.
Alright, y'all. So we out now. That sun just fried me in the eyes real quick. Oh, I need to chill. I don't know what's going on with this car, but it just been feeling like it got something going on. It been swerving crazy lately. Like, it been swerving. With 12 in the front. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna type back in. I know what happened last time. Alright, Saucy family, that's the end of the video. New to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, get in tune, tap in with the POVs if you are a Dodge Charger owner. Man, tap in, tell me your make, your model, what you think I should do to the whip, because content on stuff like that is coming soon. But without further ado, that's it for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and get in tune with the Saucy family. We out.
We told you all the stories, how this came about. Us who was destined for this life. Chosen that water, my shit's about to freeze up.